feeling like $100, $100,000, feeling like a fucking $1 million. Coming in like $1 million, life still suck. Everyone's frequency are stuck in the government's glue. Nothing new, I stay true 100. I stay true 100, watch the higher cause get funded. With praise and appreciation, metaphysics and spirituality got me feeling dedicated to help the lost. I'm like a fucking superhero, no cost. I'm selling close to Jack Frost because he froze you in time. Put all the technology in front of you, now your third eye blind. Fuck them damn Martians. This is war like some damn Spartans. My writing a little slick, it like the magic to this ink stick. Feeling like 100K and I still pray. Feeling kinda good, my last name Clay. Let me see your weed play. All this latest lingo sway. Put me on a 5-finger death punch or whatever. Sway might fuck around and call me clever. I'm under the influence forever. Never gonna fail. Talk to me if your life all pale. Let's get high in this hill and turn it to a prototype heaven. We could make God so happy, preaching like a reverend. Too fucking exclusive. Project X with me cracking my hands and getting my hands all loose. 100K and I don't care about the money. It's all about the weed and keep my baby mom from being funny. Taking care of my bunny, aka Luna Marie. Hopefully I could apologize with some weed and the shopping spree. Mommy, little Mac, or daddy, all free.